Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Let's just draw. So this video is for beginner also cause I'm making a simple drawing here. If you guys have any request for drawing then comment please. And if you have any drawing request then you can comment. I'll try my best to draw in my next video. Currently I'm using AI for voice cause my English is not that good. And for the reference I'm using Pinterest. The artist name is TC Pang in Pinterest, you can search in it. I have done 2x speed of this video, otherwise it'll be too long and boring. Please watch full video if you have time for it and comment what can I improve in my edits. First I'll draw normally, then use liner pen to finish it up. I'm using HB pencil and a normal sketchbook. It's been a week since I came to Japan and now I don't have any other drawing equipment. Now let's see the hair part. Remember to draw slowly and steady. Don't be hasty while drawing, otherwise you'll make a mistake. Not that mistakes are unacceptable, but still if you can don't try to make many mistakes. Don't use hard strokes, erasing will be easy if you don't do it. So now let's draw the eye. Let's finish the cloth also. I hope you guys are enjoying the process. Let's finish it up with final strokes. Now finally let's use our liner pen to do the pen art. I think I'm gonna use only pen in some drawing in some of my upcoming videos. Look forward to it. It's way too easy to use pen after pencil. Try this drawing. If you want, I'll upload the original pic in my YouTube post, or you can search it up in Pinterest by yourself. Okay, I'm almost done now. Thank you for watching all the video. Hope you'll watch my upcoming videos as well. Before leaving the video, give a thumb up and subscribe the channel if you think this video is worth for it. Again, thank you very much for watching my drawing video.